Did you know turmeric can replace exercise? There was a study of two different groups trying to lower their hypertension. One group did cardio while the other one just took turmeric, and the results were the same. Then they did a third study, and in this study, the person who took turmeric and did cardio, their hypertension was better than the other two groups. Before we continue, stay up to date. Join Health Instincts. Tune into your instincts by putting on post notifications so you won't miss a single vid. When it comes to taking a capsule, if it's not the whole food value, you could be robbing your body of the other vitamins and minerals. Today, learn the turmeric and how it can reduce joint aches and pains and improve cardiovascular health. If you just took vitamin B12, not food-based, it has to scavenge to the other parts of your body to create what it needs to be absorbed. It's looking for other things to put it together, and it's mugging your body of its vitamins and minerals. When you're just doing what you're doing because you wanted to be healthy, always research. Whole food based, best way to go. So time is money, and health is wealth. Turmeric, plus ginger, plus lemon, and even a bonus, you can add some MCT oil in there. The MCT helps to transport fat-soluble vitamins, like curcumin found in turmeric. So if you take that concoction every day, your cardiovascular health will be amazing. But it's not almost as effective for the cardiovascular system. But you still need to exercise if you want a healthy brain and body. Check our vids below, and remember, each one teach one.